Stocks making the biggest moves midday: Coinbase, Roku, Nike, Super Microcomputer and more. Coinbase Global shares surged 8.84% after the cryptocurrency exchange reported its first profit in 2 years. Coinbase fourth quarter earnings came in at $1.04 per share, above the 1-cent loss expected from analysts polled by LSEG, formerly known as Refinitiv. Revenue was $954 million, versus the consensus estimate of $822 million. Roku, the streaming service provider, slid 23.81% after posting a larger-than-expected loss for the fourth quarter. Average revenue per user, a key metric for Roku, also missed estimates. Nike shares pulled back 2.4% after the sneaker giant said it was laying off 2% of its workforce as part of a broader restructuring. The stock was also downgraded on Friday to perform from outperform. At Oppenheimer, which cited spotty consumer demand, lulls in product innovation and modest competition. Applied Materials shares of the semiconductor equipment maker jumped 6.35% on the company's better-than-expected fiscal first quarter results and strong second quarter. The stock was also on pace for its best day since November 10, 2022, when it surged 11%. Yelp shares tumbled 14.35% after the company gave disappointing full-year guidance. Yelp expects full-year revenue to come in between $1.42 billion and $1.44 billion, less than the $1.46 billion expected from analysts polled by LSEG. Its adjusted EBITDA guidance for the first quarter and full year were also light. Vulcan Materials, the construction materials company, added 5.23% following a fourth quarter earnings beat. Vulcan's adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.46, topping the $1.40 expected from analysts polled by FactSet. Toast, the stock jumped nearly 16.77% after the restaurant management software company beat expectations for fourth quarter earnings and revenue. Toast also said it plans to cut 500 jobs and announced $250 million in share buybacks. Trade Desk, the stock popped 17.46% after the advertising software company said it expects first quarter revenue to come in at $478 million, topping the $452 million guidance expected from analysts surveyed by LSEG. DoorDash shares tumbled 8.13% after the food delivery platform posted a larger-than-anticipated loss for the fourth quarter. DoorDash reported a loss of 39 cents per share, bigger than the loss of 16 cents forecast from analysts surveyed by LSEG. Elsewhere, the company beat expectations for revenue and announced a $1.1 billion share repurchase program. Super Microcomputer, the information technology company, shed 19.99% after Wells Fargo initiated coverage of the stock with an equal weight rating. The firm said shares are already discounting solid upside. The stock has rallied 212% year-to-date. Bloom Energy, the green energy stock, slumped 17.46% after the company reported an earnings and revenue miss for the fourth quarter. Guidance for the full year also fell short of expectations. Carvana shares dropped 8.92% after Raymond James downgraded the used car dealer to underperform from market perform, expressing doubt in Carvana's near-term growth outlook. Nvidia shares initially climbed 1% but ended down 0.6% after Loop Capital initiated the chipmaker with a buy rating and a price target that calls for 65% upside over the next 12 months.